What if it was possible to produce your favorite jeans using less water? What if your baby's plastic diapers could instead be made from wood? To effectually achieve sustainability, we must change what we produce and what we consume. Through the Knut and Alice Wallenberg Foundation and the Swedish research platform Research, academia and industry have come together and built a unique research instrument designed to study new wood-based materials. Scientists will use the beamline ForMAX to study hierarchical materials at different length scales with synchrotron X-rays. The ForMAX beamline can study materials and processes from the nanometer and micrometer level up to millimeter sizes. This is also relevant for research in many other industries, including food, textiles, and life science. ForMAX is part of the research facility MAX 4 in Lund, and its arrival is an important step in the shift towards a circular bioeconomy.